a young boy named Arman. Arman was only 17 years old, but he had a big dream. He wanted to become a rich and successful man one day. Not because he loved money, but because he wanted to give his parents a better life. His family was poor, but full of love. Arman's father worked as a farmer. His mother stayed at home and took care of Arman and his younger sister. Even though they didn't have much, they always ate together, laughed together, and prayed together. Every morning, before going to work, Arman would kneel in front of his parents and say, "Please pray for me. I want to succeed. I want to make you proud." His mother would put her hand on his head and say, "My son, may your hard work bring light to your life. May God guide you always." His father would smile and say, "Respect people, be honest, and never give up. These are the real keys to success." Arman started working in a small shop in the village. He cleaned the floor, carried heavy boxes, and helped the shopkeeper. It was not easy. His hands hurt, his back was sore, but he never complained. Every evening, after work, he studied for 2 hours. He wanted to learn English, business, and computer skills. He read books from the library and watched free videos on an old phone. People laughed at him. "Why are you working so hard?" they said. "You are just a poor boy from a village. You can never be rich." But Arman never listened to them. He remembered his parents' prayers and his dreams. One day, the shopkeeper's cousin visited from the city. His name was Mr. Samir. He owned a small company in the city. He watched Arman for 3 days. He saw how honest, polite, and hardworking Arman was. Before leaving, he asked Arman, "Do you want to work in the city? I need someone like you in my company." Arman couldn't believe his ears. He ran home and told his parents. They were happy but also worried. "City life is hard," his mother said. "But we believe in you," his father added. They gave him a small bag, some food, and their prayers. Life in the city was very different. It was fast, loud, and full of new things. Arman worked in the office as a helper. He cleaned desks, brought tea, and sometimes helped with small computer tasks. But he never wasted time. He observed everything. He learned how the company worked. He asked questions. He stayed late and read business documents. Mr. Samir noticed him again. He gave Arman a small chance to help with a project. Arman worked day and night. He did an amazing job. From that day, he got more tasks. In 1 year, Arman became a junior manager. In 2 years, he became a team leader. By the 5th year, he opened his own small company with help from Mr. Samir. One day, Arman came back to his village, not on foot, but in a car. He had new clothes, a confident smile, and gifts in his hands. His parents saw him and cried tears of joy. He held their hands and said, "I am not rich because of money. I am rich because of your prayers, your love, and your advice." He built a new house for his family. He opened a small learning center in the village to teach young people about business and life. Arman's story became famous in the village and even in the city. People respected him not just for his success, but for his kind heart, respect for his parents, and never giving up. If you have a dream, work hard, respect your parents, and believe in yourself. Success may take time, but with faith and effort, it will come just like it came for Arman.